recording will now start.
When we drive, it is easy to think only about the road ahead, the traffic dot, the signals, the destination dot. What we often forget is what surrounds every vehicle. Every car carries a story. A person going to work, a family heading home, someone returning after a long day. This footage begins like thousands of others. Steady speed, moderate. Traffic. Nothing that feels out of place. And that is why moments like this matter. On familiar roads, drivers tend to relax their awareness. They trust patterns. They expect others to behave predictably. They assume there will always be time to react. But the road does not guarantee second chances. As traffic density increases, margins shrink. Space becomes limited. Decisions must be made faster than comfort allows. In this moment, one expectation fails. Another driver reacts differently than anticipated. Distance disappears. There is no time to negotiate with physics. The collision itself is sudden, but its impact extends far beyond what the camera can show. After the vehicles stop, there are shaken. Drivers there are unanswered. Phone calls and plans that will never resume the same way. Dashcam footage often focuses on impact, but the true cost of accidents is measured afterward. In time lost. In emotional shock. In lives temporarily or permanently changed. This is why awareness matters more than speed. Why patience matters more than position. Why arriving safely matters more than arriving first. Driving is not a competition. It is a shared responsibility. Every cautious decision protects more than your own journey. Protects the people you will never meet but whose lives intersect with yours for only a few seconds on the road. This video is not about fault. It is about perspective. The reminder that every lane, every turn, and every moment of attention is an opportunity to prevent harm. Let this footage encourage you to slow down when needed to leave space and to drive as if every other vehicle carries something precious. Because it does. Drive with empathy. Stay aware. And remember, safest roads are built by considerate drivers.
Are you doing? You still f***ing asshole. Oh my god.
Damn, bro. What the?
Oh!
Whoa! Freaking kidding me?
Whoa! Fuck.
Really?
Oh my god! Video protected.
Oleg and Kremlin, along with Arya, David, and now gone from. As the water descended the dais, then knelt before Aragon interfered.
are you doing? You still fucking asshole. Oh my god. Are you guys alright? Wow. Jesus.
Current loop video is now locked.
That was it. Target one specific item, it makes me wonder.
I don't think he's watching.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what the f? What the f is that?
How was him not watching?
What?
Actually, a lot of backlash right now for this. Was boasting about a 17-minute God
How is your house there?
My house is very small. Damn it.
Oh yeah. The f are you doing? You still fucking asshole.
It's a risky sport anyway. Yeah, because we
Oh my god.
A crash has been detected. Honda Link Assist will...
Jenner, I'm actually getting a lot of backlash right now for this. Was boasting about a 17-minute drive. Damn!
I'm saying.
We went in here, and there's a roundabout on the bottom. We had to turn around, come back. Oh my god.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
What are you doing? Ooh. Running from the cops?
A big car. It's so easy to lose that. Oh!
Whoa. Oh my god. Put your hazards on.
Today, driving wise.
Am I overreacting thinking that this person is wildly inappropriate? I don't know if you're seeing a psychiatrist. You might be seeing a demon ghost.
What the f***? Race?
Jesus.